Hi everyone, Ann Maxwell here with an invitation to a telecall that I'm going to be doing called Dementia, Escape or Beginning. It's June 2nd, 3rd, and 4th at noon Pacific, and all the information is below this video. I would just like to invite you to that. I have a lot of both personal and professional, if you will, experience with people with dementia. My husband and I took care of my mom for the last 2 years of her life, and she had really profound dementia. And one of the things that it did, in addition to completely changing the relationship, when I was born, she was the one who took care of me, and as she's on her way out, I'm the one taking care of her, and it changed all of that. And yet there was a lot that stayed the same. So there's all that to have a look at. But in addition to that, there was this huge thing that occurred within the family, and all the family stuff got reignited, re-sparked. I know personally all my early years stuff got triggered, and I would just like to offer people, anybody who's dealing with that right now, this possibility of shifting it and changing it so that it doesn't have to be the tragedy that so many people talk about. What if it could be something completely different? Okay, I hope to hear you. Bye.